Stop. Look around. Look at the life you're living and the one you know you're capable of. The distance between those two isn't talent. It isn't luck. It's a minefield of excuses. We are masters of self-sabotage. We treat excuses like comfort blankets. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. The market's too crowded. I'll start Monday. It's too late, too risky, too much for you. Then stay average, but don't you dare call it bad luck. I've been there, talking big, doing nothing, convincing myself tomorrow would feel different. It never does. Excuses don't disappear. You kill them. Today you pick up the weapon. Today we end every excuse standing between you and the life you said you'd build. An excuse is never about the obstacle. It's about fear. Fear of failure. Or worse, fear of success. We'd rather stay trapped in familiar misery than fight for uncertain happiness. The two biggest lies. First, I don't have time. No, you just don't have priorities. Time isn't scarce. Focus is. Stop managing your schedule. Start managing your standards. Second, I'm not ready. Perfectionism is fear in a tuxedo. You don't need a plan. You need movement. Done beats perfect, always. I watched a friend wait 5 years for the perfect logo. 5 years of waiting. Another person launched the same idea, messy but real, and turned it into millions. The only difference? Action. Excuses love to wear your face. You say, I'm not a morning person. That's not your DNA. It's your discipline dodging accountability. Your identity isn't fixed. It's a collection of habits you've repeated long enough to believe. So change the label. Don't wish you could. Decide that you do. Don't just listen. Prove it. Pull out your phone. Open your notes app. Write this down. My actions determine my identity. Now find one excuse that starts with, I'm not, and rewrite it as an action. Not, I wish I could write a book. I am a person who writes 500 words before 9 a.m. Stop being, start doing. And here's the truth. Action gets easier when you're accountable. If you want to stop negotiating with yourself, you need to surround yourself with people who don't trade in excuses. You don't have to fight this alone. Kill the isolation excuse. Hit that subscribe button and join the No Excuse community, where we hold the line, show up, and celebrate the messy victories. We're waiting for you. Excuses thrive when the goal feels massive. I can't lose 50 pounds. Kill that excuse by shrinking the fight. Don't focus on 50. Focus on 1 glass of water. Resistance only fights what's huge. It can't stop small, consistent motion. Momentum is the funeral march of excuses. Still think you don't have time? Then prove it. For 1 week, run a time audit. Track where every 30 minutes goes. Watch how your no time turns into 10 wasted hours. Every scroll, every distraction, that's time traded for regret. You can keep building that wall of excuses. But the real cost isn't the money you don't make. It's the person you never become. The ghost of the life you could have lived will haunt you louder than any failure ever could. The time for negotiation is over. The time for justification is gone. A good fighter doesn't care for a little pain. They've bled too much to quit now. Go, move, because the version of you who keeps their word deserves to win. When money talks, bullshit walks. Kill your excuses. And right now, before you do anything else, hit subscribe, join the No Excuse community, and let's build the unbreakable version of you together. Rise little by little.